I'm R. Prabha, Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE, SNS College of Technology. In this video, we will discuss the topic on multiplexer for the course Digital Systems Design. So, a multiplexer is a combinational circuit, has maximum of 2 power n data inputs, n selection lines, and a single output line. And one of these data inputs will be connected to the output based on the values of selection lines. So the simplest case of the multiplexer circuit is given in the diagram. So there are 4 inputs, and for 4 inputs we know that there are n selection lines for 2 power n inputs. So the selection lines here are 2 and 1 output. So in a multiplexer circuit, at a time, from the many inputs, one input is selected as output, and this is based on the selection lines. So the circuit represents a 4 cross 1 multiplexer, and here there are 4 inputs, I0, I1, I2 and I3, and one output, it is represented as Y. So here there are 2 selection lines, S1 and S0. So based on the selection lines, the input is selected to the output. For example, S1 and S0 is 0 0. I0 input is selected as output, and for 0 1, S1 is 0, S0 is 1, I1 is selected as output, and for 1 0 combination of selection lines, I2 is selected and 1 1, I3 is selected. So this is the operation of a 4 cross 1 multiplexer circuit, and this is the circuit diagram. So circuit diagram consists of 4 AND gates and 1 OR gate. In order to take the complement of the selection lines, a NOT gate is connected with the 2 selection lines S1 and S0. So 4 inputs are given to the AND gate, and based on the selection lines, the output is selected as in. So next is the 8 cross 1 multiplexer circuit. So 8 cross 1 multiplexer circuit require two 4 cross 1 multiplexer. So here the inputs are from I0 to I7, and the selection lines are 4 S1, S0 and S2, and 3 selection lines because 2 power 3 is 8. So 8 inputs, 3 selection lines and 1 output. So 8 cross 1 multiplexer truth table for the combination 0 0 0, and I0 is selected at the output. For 0 0 1, I1 is selected at the output. In this way, for the combination of selection lines, the output is selected, and the exact multiplication of 16 cross 1 multiplexer, there are two 8 cross 1 multiplexer in the first stage to get the 16 outputs. So here the inputs are I0 to I15. Since the input numbers are 16, 2 per 4 is 4 selection lines we require. It is represented from S0, S1, S2 and S3. So this is the truth table for 4 selection lines. The inputs are given. I0 to I15 is selected at the output. And advantages of multiplexer: it reduces the number of wires, and it reduces the complexity of the circuit. Since the complexity reduces, circuit cost also reduced, and we can implement many combinational circuits using a multiplexer, and we have no need of using K-map for simplification in this method. And now coming for disadvantages: added delays in switching ports, and limitations on which ports can be used simultaneously. And third is added firmware complexity, because we are in need of handling switching ports, and added delays in input output signal propagating through the multiplexer, and extra input output ports are required to control the multiplexer circuit as selection lines. So these are the disadvantages of multiplexer. We can see the applications part. So for example, this we need to select a input from four inputs: mp3 player, laptop sound card, digital satellite, digital cable, etc. So based on four selection lines which must be given as output to surround sound system is using the multiplexer circuit. So multiple sources, we have a selector table and a single destination. So this is one of the application of a multiplexer. So assessment questions. Thank you.